In this video, I'll show you how to check a Memecoin total buys on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this video solely is for educational purpose only, right? So I'm going to share my thoughts on what you need to know. And if you want to know how many total buys a token has generated on Dexscreener, what you need to do from this list of tokens right here, you need to select any token you want, right? Let's say I want to select this. I'm going to click on this. Wait for it to load. Once it has opened up, I want to show you guys how you can check the total buys of a particular meme coin, right? So what you're going to do now, once this has displayed, right, the charts and the other stats you need to see, you're going to see this, right? This is where you can see the total buys right here. This is the total buys, right? So this meme coin Obit has generated 16,581 total buys in the last 6 hours, right? So this is basically how you can check a Memecoin total buys on Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I want to see you guys in the very next one.